MS Word 2007 User Interface. Before you start to work with Word 2007, you should be familiar with Microsoft Office 2007 User Interface. So we are going to discuss some common tools and objects available in Word 2007 User Interface, such as Office button, Quick Access Toolbar, Ribbon, Title Bar, Status Bar, so on and so forth. So let's start out with the basics. This is the MS Word 2007 User Interface. Down here is the status bar. You can get the number of pages, number of words in the document, and some other status from this section. The white area in the middle is the text area. So this is where you will be typing your text. On your right hand side you can see a sliding bar. It's called scroll bar. So you can scroll your document up and down using that. In the right hand corner you can see the zoom level. So you can decrease and increase the zoom level according to your preference. This is the view toolbar. There are some options like print layout, full screen reading, web layout, outline and draft. So you can view your document in different views using these options. You can also see a ruler on the left edge of the document and top of the Word document. You can use these horizontal and vertical rulers to align text, graphics and tables. This is Microsoft Office button. It's newly introduced in Office 2007 and it consists of the basic actions in your Word document. Using this exit Word button you can exit from your Word program. Using this close button you can close the currently open document without closing Microsoft Word 2007. You can save the document, you can open an existing document, you can create a new document, and you can do so many things using this Microsoft Office button. This is called the ribbon, and the ribbon contains all the tools available in Word 2007. And by default the ribbon consists of 7 tabs, namely Home, Insert, Page Layout, References, Mailings, Review and View. And there are several tools available under each tab. So let's go to Home tab and see what are the tools available. I'm going to make it bold, and you can use any of these buttons to format the text. You can also notice that the buttons under these tabs are categorized into groups. By default, the Home tab consists of the groups such as clipboard, font, paragraph, styles and editing. So you can choose any of these options to change the style of the text. In the next sessions you will be learning more about these buttons in the ribbon. Next to the Microsoft Office button is the Quick Access Toolbar. Here you can customize the Quick Access Toolbar by clicking this arrow and selecting the button you want. You can add frequently used buttons here so that you don't need to go to the tab and open the button, so you can save your time. This is the title bar. You can see the name of the document here. Now I have not saved the document, so by default it's displaying as document 1. So I'm going to save the document now. I'm going to give a name. Now you can see the name is displayed in the title bar. This is the control box. When you click here it will be restored down, and it will click again it will be maximized, and you can minimize and close it. And if you have any doubts in MS Word, you can click this help tool. You will be able to solve your problems using this help tool. You can search using the keywords and you can find the answers from here. Now you know some common tools and objects available in Word 2007 User Interface. Join us and explore more about Word 2007. Thank you.